So getting ready to weld the baffles on, but as you remember, plates are so warped from cutting it out with the acetylene torch that it's going to be difficult. So I ended up jerry-rigging some clamps up, have that C-clamp hooked around the front, that other clamp all the way through with an angle iron holding that, bracing it to keep it flat, and then I'm going to weld this plate onto the back. After that's done, then I'm going to redo the clamps to fit them up here, and then get the next one on. Got some pretty beefy tack welds on, because I had to really force it into place to get it to go, so I didn't want to pull off the clamps and have it pop out. But now I move the clamps over on each edge and then do the same thing using the angle iron, but you can see what I'm dealing with and why I'm doing this. Hoping as I go and put the plates in, it gets easier and easier. But now there's that gap there, so I need to throw a clamp all the way from here to there. All got it clamped around, and now that it's pretty tight, I'm gonna tack them up, then take clamps off and bead the whole thing. Almost done welding this first plate in. Not my welds by any means. I had to go back over that one, but considering it's just inside and it's directing heat, that's not going to go into the shop. Doesn't really matter, but I cut these short to make it easier to fit in, but with how well the clamping works, I'm having to fill a gap to make up for that I cut short, so it's making it a lot more difficult to weld that. Got the bottom plate welded on. Not the prettiest welds, but it doesn't really matter. It's all internal, they're structural. I cut these 6-inch blocks because that's the spacing between the baffles, so I can just set them here, I guess right here, and then set the next plate on top, and it gives me my spacing, tack them, and then pull them out. But get back